Check the thermal map at this stress point.
It's holding steady. The integrity is flawless for the actuator assembly. The segmentation is confirmed. We're routing 70% to process A. The efficiency metrics look optimal based on the quality.
Temperature holding steady at -180.
Cooling rate is optimized. We are clear for milling.
The shredded titanium aluminum is carefully poured into the vacuum induction furnace to be recast. Precise metering prevents air bubbles, critical for the F-35's operational success. As the system
The vibration cycle is peaking now.
Alignment remains stable at 90 degrees. Telemetry confirms the seal integrity. As the actuator cycles, the software fine-tunes the servo motor. The final readout confirms
the actuator surfaces undergo ionization, electrically charging the material for maximum adhesion of the radar-absorbent material coat. The robotic nozzles apply a thin, even layer of the dark gray RAM coating, instantly transforming the component into a
The container is filled with sealed, ruggedized cases containing the dark gray internal weapons bay door actuator assemblies.
All parameters are within the specified tolerance.
The alignment verification reports confirm stealth requirements. Process A is complete.
The F-35A Lightning II actuator system, verified for the Norwegian Air Force, signifying the conclusion of Process A.
Alloy composition confirmed at precise specifications.
Noted. Initiating casting sequence for the fasteners.
Cutoff sequence initiated. Casting confirmed. No overflow detected.
This process hardens the Ti-Al alloy, increasing its tensile strength and fatigue resistance. After heat treatment, each specialized stealth panel fastener is individually fed into a miniature, high-precision thread rolling machine.
The concentration levels look optimal for the Ti-Al surface.
Agreed. The oxide layer is stable.
The verified specialized stealth panel fasteners are automatically sorted and loaded into large, mesh baskets. The rinsing process removes all trace chemicals, stabilizing the dark matte finish and preventing long-term corrosion.
Peak load achieved, 35,250 pounds. The stealth fasteners meet the stress tolerance for the F-35A airframe.
The finished, dark matte specialized stealth panel fasteners are automatically counted by weight and vision systems.
Scan complete on pallet 74B.
Cross-referencing manifest now. All units accounted for. Ready for consolidation.
Process B delivery confirmed. The stealth fasteners are immaculate.
Verified. Ready for integration onto the airframe.
The system verifies the fasteners match the precise requirements, ensuring complete material traceability for the F-35A airframe.
Here we see the installation of the specialized stealth panels. The robotic arm places the composite material with pin.
clear on the left side, moving past the threshold now.
Copy that, looking good on the wingtip.
The integration on the panels is flawless. This finish is absolutely perfect.
It truly is a marvel of engineering.
Culmination of advanced manufacturing, the F-35A achieves true low observability. Notice the seamless integration and